Hi, I'm with Filter for Fridge. Today I'm going to give you a pointer on how to fix a problem when you have a 4396841 filter, or the updated newer version is a everydrop filter 3 water filter for your refrigerator. Sometimes when you install these, the water doesn't flow. You don't get any water flow. And it's really a simple fix. Sometimes there's a little bit of debris in your filter housing or something, and it keeps this little prong right here from fully inserting. And when it's not fully inserted, it won't, or when it's inserted too far, it won't allow water flow. That's where it's had a piece of debris, it's pushing it too far or something. And what you do is you trim a small piece of this off. What it's doing is not allowing these two pieces to fully insert because this is hitting first. So what you want to do is cut this back a little bit, and then it will allow these two to fully insert, and then you'll get water flow. The quickest, easiest way to do that is to take like some little clippers and just clip off about half of that, right? And you clip it off like right in there. Clip about half of it off, right? That will allow these two prongs to fully go in and insert, and you will get water flow. That's all that's wrong. You're not getting no water flow. And that's a quick, easy fix to make the water flow. Thank you.